Hi everyone! Every hat has its own story. Today, let me tell you about the benefits of the Peaky cap and how it found its way into our store's collection. The style of Newsboy caps emerged due to the need for practical and durable headgear among workers and newsboys in the early 20th century. Caps of this style were also a hallmark of street toughs in Poland in the first half of 20th century. It can be seen in the accounts of Stanisław Grzesiuk, the bard of Warsaw's Czerniaków. Newsboy-style caps have changed quite a bit over the years. While many models now have narrower crowns, we understand that some customers prefer the original wider crown style, so we included these options in our collection to meet your expectations. Every detail and stitch is crucial to the perfect look of the cap. The visor protects the eyes with a sturdy button at the top and a crown that can be easily shaped and adapted to different styles. The Peaky cap is best suited for people with wider faces. Its classic and timeless design makes it suitable for people of all ages. It's very versatile and will be a perfect addition to many types of wardrobes. We use only the finest materials to sew our caps, the highest quality woolen cloth and Harris Tweed. These materials ensure comfort on cold days as well as mild winters or transitional seasons. The Peaky cap is a bridge between the past and the future. Its vintage cut, boldly stepping into contemporary trends and eagerly embraced by pop culture, has gained widespread popularity across various groups. We have a variety of newsboy-style caps in our collection. The Shelby cap, which has narrower crown, gives a more delicate and lighter look and is suitable for people with less prominent facial features, or for those who prefer newsboy caps with a smaller crown. However, discussing the Shelby cap in detail is a topic for another time. Visit our store and explore the offerings. Enjoy the shopping and see you next time.